Right now, you're looking at a crypto sentiment score of plus 0.50, with momentum at plus 0.33. What's striking about this spike is that it's significantly above the historical baseline, indicating a notable shift in community sentiment. With 18 semantic clusters identified, our API gives you deep insights into the driving themes behind this sentiment. This means you're not just getting numbers, you're tapping into the nuanced discussions and emotions that could inform your next strategic move. Imagine you're building a trading bot. You can leverage this data to adjust your strategies in real time, capitalizing on the positive momentum and sentiment before your competitors catch on. For a closer look at how to integrate this into your application, visit pulsebit.logenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.